is how to access iCloud photos on Chrome web browser and also upload pictures or videos on it from there. The first step is to get to your Chrome web browser. So look at my Chrome web browser here installed on my iPhone. I will tap on it. So once your Chrome web browser opens, visit iCloud.com. iCloud.com. So once you type that, tap the enter button of your keyboard and log in with your iCloud email address and a password. Once you log in successfully, the first thing you will see is your iCloud email address. Then scroll down on that page. And you can see a group here named Mail, Photos, Drive, Notes, and a lot. Here, our interest is iCloud Photos, so tap on the Photos option. On tapping on Photos option, you will see the photos and the videos you have. So the next step we need to take here is to upload a picture or a video. So I will tap on that upload icon. Then it gives me some option: photo library, take photo, choose files, Google Drive, and these are just the options here. So I want to access photo library, which is the Photos app of my iPhone. So I'll select that. So this automatically opens the Photos app. Tap on the picture you want to upload. So let's say I want to upload my picture here. So I will tap on it. Then after the photo is selected, tap on the tick sign, which is at the top right. So hold down for it to be uploaded. And here we are. Look at the picture here. It has been uploaded on the cloud. So it's as simple as that. If this content helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment. Thank you and see you some other time.